Hello guys, so welcome back to these channels. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a smooth zoom lens effect on CapCut. So here I've already add a video with a still point of view or camera, and I want to add a smooth zoom lens effect. So first you need to go to the video effects and then find the lens. So in here, just scroll down until you find the zoom lens effect. This one. Okay, so here is the effect. You can always adjust the speed and also the range. I'm going to go with 20 for the speed, and the range you can always adjust it. You can also, I'm going to just set it also into 20. Then just click on a check icon. So in here the effect will go like this. I'm going to trim it, and if you think it's like you want to add more, you can always add the same effect but put it on the bottom. So just I'm going to just copy, and here you can adjust. I'm going to make it small, the range like this. Okay, so you'll have this smooth zoom effect. I think I'm going to adjust the range like this. Okay, so that's the result. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, and also comment. Bye.